I'm one step closer to the edge, falling in the sky, making racks, hit the tracks, turn tables, sitting there rhyming on stables, looking I make cable. I understand, I'm making silly facts. They know how to act with the gun, sitting there in the car seat on the run. Look at me, bruh, I'm fun running, stalling down the house, I'm fun stunning, flexing 60 bitches, I play the pictures. I'm rolling 17, I'm doing what I know, I'm amphetamine. Cattle in the sounds, blowing in the alley, skipping and rally. Call up Cali, you down for a Sally? Hit up my sacks, sit up in shacks. All that is under attack. As a matter of fact, I look into you. As a matter of fact, as I stick glue on my shoes, and then I cruise in the news. Understand the nude, man, I'm not a prude. I understand the steps of levels, shaving my eyebrows to the level of extension. I understand the mentions of the tension. An underground level is where I flow. Underground rebels, that's how I throw. Look at me, checking out the sky, wondering why a beehive looked out one eye. Popping tabs to the sky, hit the ram, shit so grim. I made a film of the damn thing that I said Tim. Tumble me up, so Robitussin, leaving fuck niggas wanna fuss me. I don't understand, it's hard for some trust in behavioral lifestyle. Look at my files. 96, Kid Curly. Whoop. Okay, we trapping. We out here. Alright. Hey, come back.